Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you how to make a transparent motor with the help of a syringe and a motor. So I will dismantle the total motor and put all the internal part inside this syringe to make it transparent. So at first I will open the syringe and I will dismantle the total DC motor one by one. So let's open it. So I am opening it. Let's remove the armature part first. This is the top part, basically a boost bearing. The bottom part. So I may require this rubber. So now I have to remove these two magnets one by one. So let's remove the magnets. Removing the second magnet. So I have get all the material. Now I have to mark the syringe and cut it out. So let's mark it with a marker. So the main body part, transparent body part is ready. Let's put the armature inside it. Yes, it is installed. Now I have to install the base part, the commutator part. Now I have to install the two magnet 1 and magnet 2. So almost the total part is ready. Yes, I have to install the boost part, because without this boost on continuous running of the motor will get hit and the plastic will melt out. So the motor is complete. It may happen I have to provide an extra magnet, because the distance between the armature and magnet in this case is increased. So to increase the rotational power or the RPM, I may have to install two magnets separately along with this magnet. So let's install the two magnet. So friend, it is looking amazing, you can see it here. Now I will install magnets, extra magnets, to increase the RPM. I don't know it will run or not. Hopefully it will run. So now I have to check it. Please install the magnet in proper position as shown in the video. So the total build part is almost completed. You can see it here. So friends, it is looking amazing. You can see it here. Looking like alien spaceship. However, it is not a spaceship. So let's test it. Yes, it is running. Wow, it is running fine. So friend, I think all of you have liked this video. Please subscribe my channel S&D Innovations and don't forget to press like button. Please help me to increase my subscriber. So friend, you can see it here, it is looking amazing and the RPM is also quite good. It is looking amazing. So friend, please help me to increase the subscriber as I have already stated earlier. Thank you.